All right, as you can see, we're dominating this league, John and I, with our team Breeze Nuts. We're in first place, and we are leading in points, even though they don't pay out for points, but we're crushing everybody in points. The next closest person is like 50 points behind us, 53 to be exact. So, and we have perfect record. So how do we do that? Well, the way we do that is by watching the waiver wire. So if you'll watch the last video, we tried to get the guy from the Broncos. That was that Lindsay. Here, let me show you. So here's what I'm using for rankings. I'm using Scout Fantasy Sports. So taken. Philip Lindsay wasn't taken. He's ranked 14th overall. So we tried to get Philip Lindsay, and we didn't get him. Let's find out. Just out of curiosity, let's just find out who got him. Okay, somebody dropped Eckler. Okay, so USMC 1775. If you don't get the reference, do a little history. That's when the Marine Corps was founded, 1775. Philip Lindsay picked up, and Austin Eckler dropped. Well, actually, Eckler's been pretty good for the Chargers. Let's see how far down the list he is. Here's Gordon. Let's look for that Chargers symbol here. Eckler's number 37. So, you know, that's pretty far down the list. But what might be more useful is to go to players and see who all available players and click on running back, and we'll see who we got here. Peterson's on a bye. He'd be great. Here's the point leaders. Let's see who these guys. NFL Fantasy is not who I use for predicting. Their projections are really almost always off. What's going on with Yeldon? Let's see. Yeldon missed practice. And Fournette is now going to return, so Yeldon doesn't look too good for me. All right, let's go down the list here. Fournette, Miller, Lindsay, Sonny Michel, Alex Collins. I'm not seeing that. Tavius Murray, Dalvin Cook, Marshawn Lynch, LaShawn McCoy, Matt Breida. Not seeing any of those guys. Wait. Latavius Murray. Latavius Murray. Murray carried twice for 1 yard and 7 targets. Why do they have Murray up here so high? They have him ranked 19th behind Dalvin Cook. Oh, because Dalvin Cook is questionable. Let's see what's going on with Cook. News. Not too much in the way of news on Dalvin Cook. Murray got the start in place of Dalvin Cook. The Vikings surprisingly trailed all day and banned the rushing game. He saw a share of targets in the passing game, finished second on the team in that category. Modest output. Murray failed to take advantage. Cook's injury doesn't seem likely to keep him out for an extended period of time. He could take the backfield Thursday against the Rams. All right, well, we got to find out whether he's going to actually do that, because if he's not, then Murray might be a good choice. But he is playing against the Rams, and Rams' run defense is really bad, or really good. Their pass defense is questionable this week. Carlos Hyde, James White, Javorius Allen. I don't like any of those players. And we're really scraping the bottom of the barrel here. Javorius Allen. Once again, the efficiency. Allen got 2 touchdowns against Denver. Playing against the Steelers. Yeah, I don't know. I don't like going against the Steelers. I just don't. It's my home team. Carlos Hyde against Oakland. Alex Collins. What about Alex Collins? Is he available? I don't see him there. What about... Let's see how far down Chris Carson is. It's pretty far down there. I wonder why John wants Chris Carson. Let's see if there's any news with Chris Carson here. Picked up a hint, taking 34 touchdowns. Huh. So it looks like Chris Carson might have edged out Rashad Penny in the running game. Yeah, we could take a flyer on him, I guess. I mean, it's either him or... Yeah. That might be a shot. Let's try it. Let's see. Chris Carson, 12 points. Where's Derrick Henry? 9 points. So we take a chance with Carson. Yeah, I think so. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and recommend to John pick up Chris Carson and drop Derrick Henry. Let's take a look at our team real quick. Make sure I'm not overlooking anything here. Yeah, we got Derrick Henry against... That's terrible. Definitely not going to go up against the Eagles. So, yeah, anything's going to be better than that. All right, let's give that a shot. All right, John, I say pick up Chris Carson, drop Derrick Henry, and we'll take our chances, and we'll keep ourselves posted on Sunday and see if anything develops as far as that hip injury. If there is a hip injury, then we'll have to figure out something else. All right, John, this video is for you. That's what I came up with. So if you agree, go ahead and pick up